Weird combination. What can I make with these? Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make an amazing Bulleit Bourbon and Pineapple Barbecue Sauce. You're gonna love it. If you're loving what we're doing, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, stay tuned because we got amazing stuff coming up. Okay, so half cup bourbon, first thing. I'm gonna measure that out. Jamie may even take a swig of this when I'm not watching. You know what, let's put it all in. So just over a half cup, no big deal. Bourbon in. Then we're gonna actually add the entire can of pineapple with the pineapple and the juice all together. And once we simmer that on the stove, the pineapple will start to break down, but you'll still have some kind of chunkiness when you smother that all over chicken or ribs or whatever you like. So these ones are the small little tiny pieces, so they'll help break down a little bit better. We're gonna put that entire can in. 1/3 of a cup of fancy molasses. I'm gonna pour that in. Now I'm gonna do a full cup of ketchup. Boom, ketchup. So this is a sweet barbecue sauce. If you like to kind of ramp it up to balance some sweet and heat, you can. Let's move on to the brown sugar. So that's kind of a loose, there's a half cup, put that in, another half cup. There, 1.5 cups. So we are gonna put this on the stove, but I'm gonna give it a quick stir just to kind of mix it up here. A half a tablespoon of chipotle powder. There we go. Put that in there. And I'm gonna add a half a tablespoon of garlic and a half a tablespoon of onion powder. Now, salt and pepper. So I'm gonna say roughly half a teaspoon. You need to simmer this for 35 or 40 minutes. Then you jar it in a mason jar, but we'll get there.